I'm doing a vlog here at Flemington, so enjoy. Okay, here we have Waratah A6 now departing platform 3 here at Flemington.
The train on platform 3.
City Circle service. Yeah.
Via Town Hall. First stop Strathfield, then Ashfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circular Quay, St James and Museum.
Here we have a Waratah A8 passing Penrith service. It's via Lidcombe. Here we have a not in service S set now passing. Front four cars untargeted. Rear four cars is S53. Didn't get the front four cars, sorry. I apologise, it's so sunny here. Behind this S set there's an Oscar about to pass as well. Front four cars for the Oscar, H27. Rear four cars, H50 for a central service. Some Oscars are just about to pass platform 4 here at Flemington, going to Emu Plains and Transport for New South Wales Vlogs, and Hungry Bone Gaming is on this train. Front four cars, H21. Rear four cars, H24. Okay, Waratah is just about to pass platform 3 for probably Central and then on to Hornsby. Front four cars, H12. Or the only 4 cars, or 8. Here we have V23 for a Mount Victoria or Lithgow service. And A69 for a Glenfield via Lidcombe service. So at A69. Okay, we also have some freight going to pass, I think. Oh, the Waratah's about to depart. Pacific Nationals they are. Okay. Quickly just get the Waratah departing. Maybe I'll try and get both. NR98 is the front of the loco. The next loco is NR2. There's the freight. Here we have Waratah A71 now passing. A M set now arriving here into platform 3. Front four cars M27. It's a City Circle service.
The train on platform 3 goes to City
didn't catch the rear four cars.
Town Hall.
I hope you enjoyed this vlog, guys. See you later. Bye bye.